Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna share how to upload your professional picture and others such as print design, infographic and illustration design on this website. This is an amazing website to upload your picture for earning much more. You can earn much more from your every design $125 if you can upload per month 100 or 500 or 1000 picture. You can generate your extra cash from this picture. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe this channel Learning and Earning Tube, and also cordially request to subscribe my other channel. And on the other hand, like, comment, share more and more to get such types of learning and earning related latest videos. So today I want to share how to upload your picture on this website as a FREEPIK contributor. You have to upload your 20 pictures or professional picture for earning much more. After coming here, you have to create an account by clicking on the registration button here, and you can join your account with Google and or on the other hand Facebook and Twitter, and then click on the sign up button, and that's it. And the account will be created on this FREEPIK. FREEPIK is an amazing website. You can collect any types of design from here. A whole wall full of vectors, autos, and PhDs with over 40 million visitors every month and 42 million downloads from this picture. And this is called an amazing site. Learning high visibility, and you can follow these 4 steps to complete your work on this website. So how will you upload your picture? Today I want to share this one, and click on this start upload here, and you have to upload your picture on this design. After creating an account, you will get this awesome interface, and you have to click terms and conditions on this button here, and then you have to go to your next interface, and then build some information. You have to give your total information to get your extra cash. Okay guys, I'm going to upload this 20 pictures on my FREEPIK contributor. So let's get started. Upload this one. First of all, I have uploaded one picture on my FREEPIK website. So let's get started and browse my first file on this website. And you have to create this size on Photoshop 2000 in height. Now I'd like to select which one. This one. Jackfruit has been uploaded. That's it. You can upload these 20 pictures on this FREEPIK contributor to for waiting approval. After approval of your 20 pictures, you can start your earning from this website. And first of all, I have uh, shared with you how to fill up this contribution profile giving your information, and this one is about your physical information. You have to fill up all the information whatever you like or according to your correct information, and this is my billing information.